Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this cute little bow in just 10 minutes. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so if I posted a new video you will be notified. For this I am using 4mm hook and then yarn needle to weave the yarn and then scissors to cut the yarn. And I'm using 4-ply yarn. You can use as your yarn choice. I'm using a 4-ply desired yarn. So let's begin. Let's begin with the magic ring. Make a magic ring and then chain 4. Just chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are going to put the yarn in the hook 3 times and then yarn over, pull through. Just follow this step what I am doing. Again, sorry, I made a mistake. You do not make a mistake while doing this. Make it 2 more times. Now again 1 more time. Now we are going to chain 4 and then slip stitch in the magic ring. Again make chain 4, 2, 3 and 4. Now again repeat the same as we did before. We are going to do 4 triple crochet. It's called triple, or that the stitch what I do it. Follow the steps, just make it. After making 4 chains, we are going to slip stitch in the magic ring and then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Just cut it and then pull the yarn. Now we are going to also pull the yarn of the magic ring. Just pull it tightly and then wrap it just by following my steps with the help of the thread yarn. Strap it. Just wrap what I'm doing right now and then just follow the step what I'm doing. As you can see, our cute bow is ready. By following this tutorial video, you can easily make this cute bow at home in just few minutes. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified. So as you can see, it is so easy and beginner friendly. You can try it at home. You can attach it in your hair clip or make a keychain from this bow. So thank you so much for watching everyone. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Love you all.